When I was a kid, there weren't a lot of big box craft stores, so when we made something, we had to use whatever it is that we had. Shoe boxes, wire, paint from the garage, you name it. And I love that kind of creativity. And the project we're making today is a lot like that because I'm using some old book pages from books that have been destroyed with water damage and some wire and a little bit of unicorn spit. Hey DIYers and all you boho lovers out there, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making a paper feather mobile using some old book pages and some faux flowers. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a paper feather mobile. E6000 spray adhesive is perfect for indoor use because it has no odor and it's water-based. If you don't have an embroidery hoop, consider using a 1-inch ring of plastic cut from a large laundry detergent bottle. And it's a great way to upcycle. Instead of flowers, you could use pom-poms or yarn tassels, or why not use all three? I'm going to leave a link in the description for everything I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I'm going to leave a link in the description to those two, and I will see you next week. Bye.